Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Reagan, and today we are going to be doing a eye look with the Soph and Makeup Revolution. Soph Does Nails is her handle on YouTube. She is a really good YouTuber to watch. I like watching her videos, but she came out with, this is her second or third palette with Makeup Revolution. I have their first palette, and I think she has a face palette, like highlighter and blusher or something like that, but this is the Extra Spice Ultra Eyeshadow palette. It comes with 18 pans in it, and as you can see, this is what it looks like. So I am probably going to be leaning towards these colors here to do my look with, and I'm really thinking about throwing that gold in because it really looks nice. So we're going to go ahead and we are going to get started. I'm going to start off with Vitamin C, which is this yellow one here. Alright, then I'm going to go into this orange color here called Sweet and Sour. I'm going to use that one next. Also putting this in my crease just a little bit lower down. And then I'm going to be going into this pinky red color here called 21. And again, I'm going to be putting this in the crease but lower than the orange. I'm going to go back in with the Vitamin C, the yellow. And then back in with the orange called Sweet and Sour. And this is just to blend everything out a little. And what I'm going to do is do a little bit of a kind of a cut crease here, or maybe a halo eye. I haven't decided. Let's see. I'll do halo. Alright, and then I'm going to use that gold called La Sun, which is this one right here. I'm just going to put that right on top. I'm just going to go back into the 21 there and just blend that on the edges. Putting that Sweet and Sour, the orange, underneath the eyelid there, on the lower lash line. Now I'm going to take that 21, the red, and put that right on the lash line there. Go ahead and do the liner. Alright, then go ahead and put my mascara on. I'm just using the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. And for the lips, we're going to be using Lime Crime's liquid lipstick in Pumpkin. I think that'll go really nice with the orange color we've got going on. Alright, so this is the finished look that I came up with using the Makeup Revolution with Soph collaboration. I highly recommend you picking up this palette because it has so many wonderful colors in it. The blending is amazing. The pigmentation, I mean, as you can tell, really pays off. I think it's a great palette in general to have. So I want to thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that way you'll be reminded the next time I upload. I again thank you for watching and you have a great day.